open the terminal on your CentOS. Now change your user to root user. Let's check the current status of the firewall by running the following command. To disable the firewall, use the following command. To ensure that the firewall is not started at boot, run this command. Verify that the firewall is no longer active by running the status command again. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.